Hi, this video is showing how to connect your QNAP to your Cloud Link connection. These are the instructions. Pretty much it's saying that you are going to establish a connection to your TurboNAS via Cloud Link. Using this connection method, your data will be securely transferred through the My QNAP server. Transmitting multiple files simultaneously may affect performance. Apps that do not use the system port cannot be launched via the Cloud Link service. So this is what it is. We go into this URL, we click OK. Connecting to Bella Cloud. By continuing beyond this page, you agree to and abide by our terms of agreement. Sneaky way to get you to agree to everything without reading it. Once that's done, we get the login screen for our QNAP. We click on login. We put in our username and we put in our 25-bit encrypted password. We log in. Oh, it's taking a little bit of a longer time than anticipated. As you can see here, from there, we're going to click on Control Panel. And from there, we can see all the various components that or apps that we have access to within our QNAP. And what we're looking to do today is to change our NAS to a static IP. Right now, it currently has this internal IP. But what we want to do is we want to have a DNS server automatically, if possible, with a static IP. If that doesn't work, what we're going to have to do is edit this particular connection that we have, and we have an option to either obtain IP address setting automatically via DHCP, Dynamic Host Control Protocol, or to use a static IP. And in that case, if we're going to use a static IP, we have to use an IP from our router base, which means they're preset up. In this case, we've already done all that. But the thing is, you got to remember, not only do you need to set up your fixed IP address, which is one of your internal IPs from your router, but you need to make sure that you set up your subnet mask and your default gateway. So to do that, we're going to put in 192.168. And please go through here. I did not, and I'm going to tell you, it caused me a lot of pain. And we're going to just put in 190. Let's make it 190. Let's make it 191. Well, let's make it 190. That's what it currently is right now. And we're going to make this 255.0. And then we're going to use our default gateway, which is 192.168.1.1. If you're not sure, I think it's 2.1. I'm almost pretty sure it's 1.1, but if you're not sure, you can always go and check it and make sure that it's 1.1. And I would say hold off until you know for sure. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so we're pretty sure the settings that we have here, 192 for the fixed IP, 192.168.1.190, subnet 255.255.255.0 standard, and our default gateway is 192.168.1.1, and we're using our jumbo frame or maximum transfer unit MTU, and we're going to apply. Some services will be stopped temporarily. Are you sure you want to do this? In other words, if this doesn't work, then we got to go back to the router and reset it manually. So let's see what happens. Click OK. And we're going to stop the recording at this point. We're done. Okay, it comes back. The TCP IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Settings are being configured. Please wait and use the following link to connect to the server. If you cannot connect to the server, you are fucked. Please use the finder to find the new IP address. So I'm going to stop the video with that. I think we're done.